But you know what? The decline in vitality is not the end. It's simply a reminder that it's time to pay more attention to your body, to give it back what age has quietly taken away. And the amazing thing is, not every solution has to come from medications or complex methods. There are things that are completely natural, safe, and incredibly effective, if you know what they are and how to use them correctly. In today's video, we'll talk about 3 types of vitamins, 3 quiet but powerful allies that can help men over 40 reconnect with their inner strength and naturally, sustainably revive their masculine energy from within. Let's begin with something that seems so familiar: vitamin D. You might think vitamin D is only important for strong bones, but in fact, it's closely linked to testosterone levels, the key hormone that defines masculinity. Many studies have shown that men with low levels of vitamin D also tend to have low levels of testosterone. This often leads to fatigue, decreased libido, and even mild depression. Vitamin D isn't a miracle pill, but it is foundational. Just like fire needs oxygen to burn, your testosterone needs vitamin D to stay strong. And the issue is, most Vietnamese men, especially office workers, are deficient in vitamin D without even knowing it. We spend too much time indoors and get too little morning sunlight, the best natural source of vitamin D. Just spending 15 to 20 minutes a day in soft morning sunlight or supplementing with D3 properly can be your first step toward rebuilding your vitality. Next is a vitamin that's rarely mentioned in conversations about masculinity but plays a crucial role: vitamin B12. After the age of 40, the body's ability to absorb B12 noticeably decreases. As a result, you're more likely to feel tired, unfocused, and sluggish throughout the day, even if you sleep well. More importantly, B12 helps produce red blood cells, and these cells are responsible for carrying oxygen throughout your body, including to your reproductive organs. A healthy circulatory system is essential for maintaining sexual function and stamina. When you're deficient in B12, every function in your body slows down, from your brain to your groin. Supplementing properly with B12 through foods like liver, eggs, seafood, or high-quality supplements can help restore clarity, energy, and significantly improve your vitality in a subtle but noticeable way. Many men don't understand why they always feel weak or uninspired, while a simple blood test could reveal a serious B12 deficiency. And finally, we can't forget about vitamin E, a vitamin often mistakenly thought to be just for women. The truth is, vitamin E plays a vital role in protecting cells from damage, boosting blood circulation, and supporting the production of sex hormones. Think of it as a shield protecting your male vitality from free radicals, those harmful agents that accelerate aging, both physically and sexually. Several studies have shown that vitamin E also improves sperm quality and reduces the risk of erectile dysfunction. More importantly, it gives your entire body a sense of freshness, brighter skin, sharper thinking, and a more fulfilling, intimate life. Sunflower seeds, almonds, avocados, and olive oil are all excellent sources of vitamin E that you can easily include in your daily meals, both healthily and deliciously. These 3 vitamins, D, B12, and E, may not be magic bullets, but they are 3 essential keys that can help you reopen the door to the vitality that slowly closed after years of stress, responsibilities, and neglecting yourself. Masculine vitality isn't just about physical strength or performance in the bedroom. It's about confidence, presence, and feeling in control of your life. When you feel strong from the inside, everything on the outside begins to shift. You walk more confidently, speak with more conviction, and there's a spark in your eyes once again. If you're feeling tired today, ask your body honestly, Have I been giving it what it really needs? Start paying attention to your nutrition and make sure you're giving yourself the nutrients your body requires in middle age. Don't wait until your body sounds the alarm. Start making changes now. Begin with something small, like a morning vitamin D supplement, a serving of salmon, or a glass of B12-rich milk, or even just a tablespoon of almonds each day. The shift begins with the choices you make today. If you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to share it with your loved ones or friends, men who may also be stepping into this important phase of life. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you'd like more practical and relatable health content like this. Because self-care isn't a luxury, it's how you show respect to yourself, to the people you love, and to this life. Live strong, live with quality, and live truly as a man, no matter what age you are.